guys, welcome to the W Sydney. Come on in. So, this is the room. How fun and gorgeous it is. It has two beds with this lovely striped headboard on the back and this light accent on the ceiling. Very fun. Come down here to the TV with all the instructions, and yeah, got two swivel chairs next to this cute dining table / work table. This room looks out to, I think, the south side, so towards the city, Chinatown, what's that place called? Entertainment Quarter, Darling Quarter. But the other rooms does look out to Darling Harbour, including the pool. Here are the two beds. They look very comfy with a lot of lights and lamps next to it. They even have a pillow menu where you can order a specific type of pillow that you would want. Come over here to the drinks and coffee and tea station. So there's a bunch of drinks, lovely glasses, cute little lamp, even a cocktail shaker, an espresso machine, some snacks over here you can purchase, more snacks, even some merch, cute socks and a W cap. Down here is mini fridge, bunch of drinks you can purchase, kettle. Yeah, it's a very cute setup with this circular, oval console situation. Over here, another mini circular room is the closet with this fun pink wallpaper. I think it's like a native Australian flower or plant. I forgot the exact name. But yeah, that's a very fun space and good way to elevate the space. Follow me down here back to the corridor with this gigantic floor to ceiling mirror. A convenient way to check yourself before you head out. And come into the bathroom with this gorgeous bathroom. As you can see, this statement bathtub in this circular shape is so fun. It's kind of like a spa or jacuzzi. It looks massive. So very excited to try this. Yeah, the shower, two shower heads, bath products, the row with the W Sydney logo on it. I even love the knobs for the shower. It's like X's and O's. Here's the toilet. Here's the vanity sink with this gorgeous strip lighting to make it look great. And some more bath products. Yes. That's the bathroom. And if you guys are curious on the price, this for one night is $577. It does not include the breakfast. We chose to opt that out because I'm flying back to London tomorrow, so didn't have time for that. But yes, it's decent price for the lovely room and view. And we're gonna head to the I think rooftop pool / bar now to go for a swim and have some drinks and food. And thank you for watching. You now may leave so I can enjoy the room. See you